IT3 to IT4 to IT5 and to IT6. So this is our final lecture for the finals term. So finals lecture 2 for HCI. So just to clarify po, ito po ay ang ating coverage dito ay page 97 to page 114 or 115. Tapos yung buong finals term natin, yung dalawang finals na lecture na binigay ko, yan po ang coverage ng inyong final exam. So, regardless of kayo ay cluster A, B, or C, just please take note of this. Okay po. Thank you. So, proceed tayo guys. So, ang laman ng ating lesson dapat ay overview of database query and also importance of image search and top 5 image search engines and other multimedia searches. Okay. So, regarding image search engines, we will be able to define it and provide its functionality. And also, we are able to compare the top image search engines. So, whatever yung kanilang differences, comparisons, likes and dislikes, ganun siya. Tapos, we also have the importance of map search and tips for effective image searches. Ayan. And we will also have information visualization on our end here, which is defined as its definition and purpose, techniques and applications, copyright term and license, and examples and use cases. Ayan. And next on our lesson for finals lecture 2 is advanced filtering procedures, where it can be broken down with filtering with complex Boolean queries. And next is automatic filtering, dynamic queries, and faceted metadata search and other search methods. And next lesson that we will have for finals lecture 2 is hypertext and hypermedia. So we will be able to explain the difference and the cons or likes of hypertext and hypermedia, and also practical applications, and also benefits of visual information presentation. And next is object action interface model, wherein we have an overview of OAI model, user interaction and object priority, advantages of object action interface, and lastly the summary for our finals lecture 2. So we have it here. And also our next topic is object-oriented programming paradigm, wherein it has components and descriptions of OOPP, understanding objects and data encapsulation, public interface and class definitions, and inheritance, polymorphism, and interface design. So that will conclude our final lecture 2. So this is technically I've provided all of the lessons in your module. I hope that you watch this first before you answer the exercise that I provided. So I'll be giving it a couple of days from now. So baka around May 2. Tapos ang deadline niya is 4 days. So see you guys. Hopefully po we will meet each other ng face to face either by next week. We will meet each other. Basta i-announce ko naman sa inyo dun sa lalo na sa 2IT3 and 2IT4 yung schedule ng ating prelim, midterm, and final exam. So thank you po. I hope you have or you enjoy the rest of the semester. Thank you guys.